Welcome back, photography enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the camera world, the rumored Fujifilm X-H3s. If you've been keeping an eye on Fujifilm's stellar line of hybrid cameras, you're probably as excited as I am to hear about what could be the next big thing. But before you get your wallets ready, let's be clear. This camera is still just a rumor. That being said, let's break down what we know so far, what we can expect, and whether this new addition could be a game changer. Let's start by going back to Fujifilm's track record with the X-H series. The X-H1 debuted as a hybrid powerhouse, combining professional video capabilities with Fujifilm's well-regarded still photography tools. Then came the X-H3s, which took things to another level with its 26.1 megapixel stacked BSI sensor, 40 FPS burst shooting, and 6.2K video recording capabilities. So naturally, the question now is, what's next for the X series? The X-H3s is rumored to be the next leap forward, but Fujifilm has been tight-lipped so far. We don't have official specs, but based on what's circulating, it could feature an improved autofocus system, even faster continuous shooting, and more advanced video features, possibly something closer to 8K recording. Now, let's talk design. If you love the robust feel of the X-H3s, you'll likely find the X-H3s even more refined. Rumor has it that it could sport a larger LCD screen, enhanced weather sealing, and maybe even a new EVF with higher resolution. Fujifilm has always been known for its ergonomics, so it wouldn't be a surprise if the X-H3s felt perfect in hand for long shoots. One of the standout features of the X-H series has always been its hybrid capabilities. Photographers who dabble in both video and stills appreciate how the camera seamlessly transitions between both modes. With the X-H3s, I wouldn't be shocked if we saw improved video codecs or perhaps even 10-bit 422 internal recording, perfect for serious videographers. Performance-wise, everyone's wondering about the sensor. While we can't be sure yet, there's speculation that the X-H3s could feature a new generation stacked sensor, possibly 30 megapixels or even higher, which would make it a beast for wildlife and sports photography. Imagine capturing split-second moments with zero rolling shutter. It could be a dream come true for action shooters. And let's not forget video. If the rumors are true, the X-H3s could bring in-body image stabilization, IBIS, to the next level, with 5-axis stabilization that will make handheld shooting smoother than ever. Whether you're filming a documentary or creating content for YouTube, this feature could save you from needing a gimbal. Of course, a great camera needs great lenses. The X-H3s will likely be compatible with all existing XF lenses, so you won't need to worry about buying a whole new kit. In fact, we might even see new lenses released alongside the X-H3s, something like an ultra-wide zoom or telephoto prime, ideal for landscape and portrait shooters alike. So, what do you think? Will the Fujifilm X-H3s deliver on the hype? We're still in the rumor stage, but based on Fujifilm's track record, this camera could set a new standard for hybrid shooters, especially those who need speed, versatility, and cutting-edge tech. As always, we'll keep an eye out for more details, and as soon as we get official confirmation, you'll be the first to know. Make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates on the Fujifilm X-H3s and all the latest camera releases. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. What features do you hope to see in the X-H3s? Until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.